I think rule of law is a single concept that can make change the lives of the people, even if you don't have like really proper economic development program, or you don't have natural resources. Rule of law itself can make your country develop, because you will have the maximum effectiveness of the public expenditure. You will have the government agencies under control by the public oversight. You will have a good parliament. You will have a good laws and implementation.
For us, the rule of law is everything. If you don't have the rule of law, if compliance is not applied because of a strength of the rule of law and the justice system to back it up, then the backbone of justice is absent.
Rule of law is critical to our ability to go into a country and say, this is how we will perform, this is what we will do with governments, this is what we will not do with governments, because we believe in the importance of protecting the rights of our end users to their data.
At TransparencIT, we are very, very happy that the Rule of Law Index of the World Justice Project exists, because it has been a great tool that we've been using to advocate at this grassroots for our accountable and transparent criminal justice system.
Rule of Law Index is very important for us, because this index is well respected around the globe, and the findings of the index, they are used in other rankings as well. World Bank and other really highly respected institutions.
Well, I mentioned the importance of actually understanding rule of law and whether laws can be trusted and whether they will be enforced fairly and predictably. And the Rule of Law Index is great on that, among other dimensions, in that you can see year over year whether the trust in the courts and in the legal services, the judiciary, is growing or declining, and we see both flags in the index itself.
The index has also helped us to identify the true situation of criminal justice system in Nigeria, using the data to guide our activities, particularly inform our decisions in terms of the work we do at TransparencIT, which is very important in tackling corruption.
The Rule of Law Index is a really valuable tool. These tools, wherever they come from, and frankly this one, because of the expertise, is really, really important for people trying to understand why there's such distrust in the world, what we have to do about it to rebuild the rule of law. You've got to start with the evidence.
I invite all stakeholders globally to join hands and work with the World Justice Project and use the Rule of Law Index in helping them to accelerate justice, in helping them to promote accountable society, in helping them to promote transparent and accountable public system in their countries.